Yo, what's up sa lahat ng ina? Pati, nandito ngayon tayo sa birthday ng inaanak namin yan. At mayroong konti kasiyahan, anak ni Kuya CK na ang grupo namin sa Brugang. At may-ari ng paluto. Ito anak nito kung paano namin. Okay, let's go. Yan, birthday na lang naman CK. Dito kami ngayon. Di ba, sabihin ko muna ito. Nakita ko,
Ganda ng camera!
So, mangyayari ngayon, nag-perform ngayon kami, ayun, ang dami mga so, ayun, mga gift yung bari, bigatin yung bari. Sweet, pakita mo na. Sweet bari, boy. Bago. Siya minu. Pinasigaran ito diyan, pero nagbabot yan. Dati hit man yan, hirap. Bakit ito picture gusto akin kay Osos? Asawa ko.
Hey, what's up, yo? What's up, man? Ang pinakamagaling, si DJ Marlon. Yeah! Marlon, what's up? Link! Yes, Blink, man. Mula sa Breezy Boys, man. No, go na naman. Go na naman. Siya, boy.
All around the world.
Yeah,
Come on.
attention, this my boarding call. Bags up there against the wall. Step on the flight, be there by the night. Get ready, cause man, we taking off. No doubt this world is mine. Find myself when I lose track of time. No, I'm not new with that. Got my crew in the back, I feel alright.
Take me to my city. Look at the weather, it's so pretty. No need to be quiet, I'm
O, saan naman kailangan mo sabihin? Tingnan mo naman. Oh, yeah. Narinig nyo? Walang pagkakupas.
Let it out.
Tonight we'll celebrate.
Come on, let's go.
Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate.
Move, move, step in the scene. Life is a journey and this is my dream.